All right, I've been on this site this morning trying to get some layout done for a fiber hut that I'm the general contractor on over here in Lamar, and got the GPS set up, got a little bit of layout done, and got a container or office container kind of set up here. I'm gonna try to get some topsoil stripped here, and yeah, so I got this the layout done. This is where a 10 by 20 fiber hut's going. One of them prefab buildings sets on the foundation. I've got to get the foundation done, and then I got electrical contractor and stuff, and get a crane to come in and set that. And then there's a generator that sets right here on the back side of it that we get tied in. We're going to go out to that power pole and put electric in and get a ground field around it. And yeah, so got the 290 here today. I'm gonna, it's kind of a bit of a challenge because there's a 10-inch water main running right here, and then we've got obviously that power line going to the substation there. We've been trying to get away from where it's kind of a tight site, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with the topsoil here in a minute, and we'll get this thing rolling. Hopefully we can get some of this concrete in and stuff before the weather turns bad. It's the 8th day of December, so you know, it's only a matter of time before the weather gets bad where you can't get concrete poured. So that is the plan for this afternoon. I want to get this stripped, and I got Cody bringing some gravel in the morning over here to try to get a little pad built here for this, and then we'll get some conduit stubbed up in there hopefully Friday, and then that'll put us to where we can start in on the concrete work. All right, I'm going to get some offsets put on that so I know how much to over dig a little bit. I'm going to try to strip about 8 inches off and see where we're at. right, I'm gonna strip out for that driveway a little bit. All right, I got this topsoil stripped here on the at this fiber hut site, ready for some gravel tomorrow to start building on the pad. And yeah, got everything piled up and slicked up and ready. I'll bring the roller with me tomorrow to be able to compact that gravel down. Yeah, turned out all right, I think. Got this cleaned up and took about 6 or 8 inches, maybe a little deeper where the building's actually going, but I think I'm going to put a load of 2-inch clean down, a thin layer 2-inch clean, and I'm going to smash that down into this clay. Since there's no rocks at all in it, it's tight, but yet there's really not much structure to it. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm gonna get him to bring a load of 2-inch clean first, and then I'll sprinkle it around thin over this whole thing and get it smashed down, and then we'll start building this dude up with some base rock and packing it in lifts. And yeah, got me a benchmark set nail or screw right there in that that's going to be finished floor elevation. So I got to have this pad built up to 8 inches below that. So that's going to be the order of business for tomorrow. Got the excavator fueled up just now, so I'll be bringing the truck and trailer with me tomorrow, so I thought I'd better go ahead and top it off while I was over here.